So today, I'm gonna show you something I've been wanting to purchase for a while now, and I just finally talked myself into getting it. And I don't think there was a bad decision by getting one. So we're gonna see this whole unboxing and we're gonna see how cool this thing actually is. But I just want you guys to wait 1 second. Don't go anywhere. Just stay right there. I'll be back. But you know what you must have first to begin this. Must.
2 hours later.
That was a bad idea. But it's fun while it lasted. Back to where we were. We got a really
Billions and billions and
really amazing tool we got today. And I want you guys to see what we got here today. So I'm gonna take you along for this ride. I'm gonna show you what we got here. Bing. Well, you ever heard the story of the 3 little pigs? Well, I got 2 little Milwaukee batteries. What you got to say about that? Huh? Well, anyway, these are 2 M12 batteries. And of course, I don't buy 2 batteries for nothing. Why would I do such a thing? That is not a genius idea, right? Well, today, guess what I got? The M12 Fuel Ratchet Impact. Skeeky. So, half-inch drive. Takes the M12 batteries, of course. It's the fuel version. So, I mean, I could not help myself. I've been wanting this forever and ever and ever. Like a kid in the candy store. But today, I'm gonna let you see the unboxing of this M12 Fuel Ratcheting Impact, right? For this particular one, it's only the tool, no batteries. I already have a charger, the rapid charger, so I don't need a charger. All I needed was batteries, so I decided to buy 2 batteries and a single impact, okay? So today we're gonna start by unboxing this here. I'm gonna take this corner here, we're just gonna rip it open. So weak. We're gonna pop this one open. So yeah. Jeez. I think I did that wrong. Pretty sure I opened this thing wrong. Oh well. Oh man. Nice. Got your manuals. Is there anything else in this? No, that's it. You don't need that anymore. Take the plastic off. Who needs the plastic? Ooh, nice. It's got a little 10 pounds, maybe? 10 pounds. I don't know the weight for sure, but I say 10. Got a little manual in here. Register to win, 10-piece combo. It's cute. Yeah, okay, all the tools. I don't need to be looking at that. Yeah, I'm not gonna look at that. And then obviously the instruction manual. Okay, I'm a man. I don't need that. First off, I don't even know if these batteries are charged because I didn't even bother to charge one. We're gonna jam one of these in here. Ooh, nice little light. Uh-oh, got a safety? How does that work? I've never used one of these actually. I own, oh yeah. Now this is a brushless one, so okay. I don't know if this has multiple speeds or not. I have not read the instructions, so. Oh, the battery's also low, so. It's in reverse. Would like to think there's a little more torque to that, but battery's also low. So, other than that though, it seems pretty legit. Pretty legit. Got a little torque to it. The box says up to 60 foot-pounds max torque. But I'll have to charge a battery to see what it's all about. got a little more juice. But yeah, man, thing seems pretty nice. I can't wait to put to use. Fuel brushless. I'm not gonna show you all that. But yeah, man, stay tuned. I may actually show you a video of it being used. It's pretty, I like it. So far. Maybe later I'll do a video for you so you can see what I'm actually working with. But yeah, so. It's just me, not really sure, but maybe it's just me. I'm a firm believer that there's a tool for every job. And if you don't have that tool, your job's gonna be harder, your life's gonna be miserable, and you're just gonna be like, why am I doing this, right? Well, if you have the right tool for the right job, guess what? It'll take you half the time, making your job easier on you, saving time, making more money. I'm all about time and money, right? Boom. The other day I was doing a brake job for somebody on the rear of a vehicle, and man, the spot was just so tight, you couldn't put your half-inch drive impact back there. My high torque impact, I mean, shoot, the head's like 8 inches, and there was no way I was getting the impact behind there. So I just said, dude, this is it. I'm gonna go buy a Ratchet impact, and that's what I did. And now my life will be so much easier from here on out. On anything that's tight, but also where you get a ratchet in it, but you just can't quite, you don't want to do the extra, yeah, that. Don't use that elbow grease, man. Gotta save that elbow grease. But anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. Check out the impact, the Ratchet impact from Milwaukee, man. I believe it's gonna be a great tool. I can't wait to use it. I will hopefully upload more videos here soon, me using it, and stay tuned. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. One Fab, we're out.